Are you so tired of that mid-morning slump? You know the feeling. You had breakfast, but by 10 a.m., your energy has completely tanked and you can't focus. What if I told you the right breakfast could change all that? That the key to all-day energy isn't some expensive supplement, but what you put on your plate first thing. Today, we're breaking down 6 amazing breakfast recipes designed to fuel your active life and keep you going strong. We've got options whether you're plant-based, always short on time, or just need a delicious way to start your day. These aren't just meals, they're smart fuel designed to keep you sharp and ready for anything without the crash. Let's get into it. First up, we're ditching the bread and completely rethinking toast. Say hello to sweet potato toast. And trust me, this isn't just some foodie trend, it's a serious nutritional upgrade. Sweet potatoes are full of complex carbs that release energy slowly and steadily. That means no sugar crash and you'll feel full and satisfied for hours. They're also a fantastic source of fiber and beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A for a healthy immune system and good vision. Making it is unbelievably simple, and it's perfect for meal prep. Just slice a sweet potato lengthwise into quarter-inch thick pieces. Don't even bother peeling it. A lot of the fiber and nutrients are hiding right in the skin. Then you can pop these slices right into your toaster, just like bread. It might take 2 or 3 cycles to get them cooked through and a little toasty, or you can just bake a whole batch at the start of the week. Now for the fun part, the toppings. For an awesome plant-based option, mash half an avocado on top, sprinkle on some hemp seeds for healthy fats, and maybe add a few slices of tomato. It's delicious, satisfying, and totally vegan. If you need an extra protein punch for muscle repair, top it with a perfect poached egg or some smoked salmon. This breakfast is a powerhouse that will carry you through your most demanding mornings. Next, for those of us with zero time in the morning, meet your new best friend, Overnight Oats. This is the ultimate grab-and-go breakfast, and it's a little masterpiece you prepped the night before. Oats provide that same slow-release, sustained energy we're looking for. But the magic really happens when you add chia or flax seeds, which load your breakfast with omega-3s and a ton of fiber. That combo keeps you full for hours. The prep is almost laughably easy. In a jar, add half a cup of rolled oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a cup of your milk of choice. Almond, soy, or oat milk all work beautifully. If you want to really ramp up the protein, you can use regular milk or even Greek yogurt. Now make it your own. Stir in a scoop of protein powder, a swirl of nut butter, and a handful of berries. Mix it all up, seal the jar, and pop it in the fridge. In the morning, you've got a creamy, delicious breakfast waiting for you. No cooking, no mess, just pure fuel. Our third breakfast is for the meal preppers who crave a savory start to their day. Egg and Veggie Frittata Muffins. Think of them as portable mini omelets, and they're a lifesaver for busy weeks. Eggs are a complete protein, which is key for muscle repair and keeping you feeling full until lunch. And by packing them with veggies, you're adding fiber and a ton of essential vitamins. To make a batch, just whisk a dozen eggs in a large bowl. Then stir in your favorite finely chopped veggies. I love a mix of spinach, bell peppers, and onions, but this is a perfect way to use up whatever you have in the fridge. You can also throw in some turkey sausage or cheese for extra flavor and protein. And for a fantastic plant-based version, you can make a batter with chickpea flour and water, or whip up a tofu scramble with turmeric and black salt to get that classic eggy flavor. Pour your mixture into a greased muffin tin, bake for about 15-20 minutes, and that's it. You've got a high-protein breakfast ready for the entire week. They're great cold or heated up for a few seconds. Are you loving these ideas? If having a delicious, energizing breakfast ready to go every single morning sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We post new videos every week to help you live a healthier, more energetic life. We still have 3 incredible recipes left, including a decadent tasting pudding that's actually a nutritional powerhouse. You don't want to miss it. Alright, our 4th recipe feels like a total treat but works like high-performance fuel. Chia seed pudding. If you haven't tried this yet, you're in for a surprise. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. They are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy omega-3 fats. The ultimate power trio for long-lasting energy. When soaked, they form a gel, creating a thick, creamy pudding that's incredibly satisfying. This also helps slow down digestion, keeping your blood sugar stable and making you feel full longer. Just like our overnight oats, you'll prep this the night before. In a jar, mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of plant-based milk. Coconut or almond milk are great choices. Add a dash of maple syrup or a few drops of vanilla for flavor. Stir it well so there are no clumps and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, it will have transformed into this thick, amazing pudding. This recipe is naturally plant-based and gluten-free. Top it with fresh berries, a sprinkle of nuts for crunch, or some toasted coconut flakes. If you want even more protein, you can layer it with Greek yogurt to make a parfait. It's a simple, elegant breakfast for sustained energy. Sometimes you just need a hearty handheld breakfast you can eat on the go. That's where our 5th recipe comes in, the protein-packed breakfast burrito. This is a perfectly balanced meal, combining complex carbs, high-quality protein, and fiber all in one. A good breakfast burrito can keep you fueled for hours. The trick is to build it with smart, nutrient-dense ingredients. The best part? You can make a big batch and freeze them. Start by scrambling your protein, eggs for a classic burrito, or a tofu scramble for a plant-based version. Sauté some veggies like onions and peppers, and add a can of black beans for extra fiber. Now let's assemble. Gently warm some whole grain tortillas to make them easier to work with. Layer in your scramble, the veggie and bean mix, a sprinkle of cheese or vegan cheese, and maybe a spoonful of salsa for a kick. Roll them up tight, wrap them in foil, and you're done. Store them in the fridge for the week or in the freezer for up to a month. When you're ready to eat, just reheat and go. Finally, our 6th breakfast is a classic for a reason. The yogurt parfait. It's quick, it's beautiful, and it's an energizing powerhouse. The star here is the yogurt. Greek yogurt is incredibly high in protein, which is fantastic for keeping you full. For a plant-based option, there are amazing coconut, almond, and soy yogurts that are also rich in protein. This breakfast is all about the layers. In a glass or jar, start with a layer of yogurt. Next, add a layer of fresh or frozen berries for antioxidants and fiber. Then add a layer of crunch, think almonds or walnuts for healthy fats, or a sprinkle of low-sugar granola for some complex carbs. Repeat the layers until your glass is full. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber creates a balanced breakfast that keeps your energy levels high and stable all morning. Plus, making it in a jar means it's another great portable option. And there you have it, 6 delicious, energizing breakfasts to supercharge your active lifestyle. From sweet potato toast and the make-ahead magic of overnight oats, to protein-packed frittata muffins and hearty breakfast burritos, there's truly something for everyone. The key to all of these recipes is focusing on whole foods, getting a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs, and embracing a little meal prep. Starting your day with one of these meals isn't just about feeling full. It's about giving your body the quality fuel it needs to perform at its best, and finally say goodbye to that mid-morning slump. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your ideas. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and go have an amazing energy-filled day.